Hey Ram family, God has been so good to us. And what we see behind us is the near completion of a concession stand, which is an example of what we can accomplish when we gather together for a sole purpose. As we enter into the season of giving, on October 26th, we're going to be having a night of Paideia, which is a community night where we're going to be able to gather together, share a meal, and raise funds for our school.
As Mr. Johnston said, we are starting our season of Paideia. And the Paideia Fund is our school's annual fund. And just like all other private schools, the annual fund, or the Paideia Fund, exists to bridge the gap between what tuition dollars bring in and the expenses of the school. And to kick off this season of giving, we are having the Night of Paideia, and we're going to have a great fun family event to where we'll have a pig roast, barbecue plates, cornhole tournament, live music, and a gun raffle.
So we ask that you help us in a number of ways. One, participate. We want you to be there. We look around at our community and our culture and we see so much division, and we want to offer and provide a night where we can fellowship and we can gather around a meal. So we ask that you be there, but we also ask that you invite your friends and your neighbors and your family to come take part in what we have to offer as a school. We also ask that you participate in the events that we have. You can purchase your gun raffle tickets ahead of time. You can participate and you can sponsor a cornhole board, and you can participate in a cornhole tournament. But we also ask that you get the barbecue plates, as that is a way of which we can gather around and which we can give testimony to the things that the Lord has done.
If you have any questions or need further information about any of the events, whether to give to Paideia or the Night of Paideia, you can find that information by clicking on the links in the description below or visiting our website at covenantacademy.net. We're looking forward to a fantastic evening.